Ever pondered how a simple cup of green tea can enhance your daily life? Green tea, more than just a regular beverage, has been a symbol of tranquility, mindfulness, and health for centuries. Imagine starting your day with a cup of green tea. The warm, subtle aroma fills the air, inviting you to take a moment to pause, to breathe. As you sip, the slightly bitter yet refreshing taste awakens your senses, preparing you for the day ahead. The ritual of making and savoring your morning tea can be a form of meditation in itself, grounding you in the present moment and helping you start your day with a sense of calm and focus. As the day progresses, green tea continues to play a pivotal role. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of life? Take a moment to relax with a cup of green tea. The natural compounds in green tea can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calmness. The warmth of the tea can be soothing, its aroma therapeutic, and the act of sipping tea, a mindful pause in your hectic day. Finally, as a regular beverage, green tea is a healthy choice. Rich in antioxidants known as polyphenols, green tea can help protect your body against various diseases. It can aid digestion, enhance metabolism, and even contribute to weight loss. And unlike other caffeinated drinks, green tea provides a gentle energy boost without causing jitters or a sudden crash. So, how can green tea enhance your daily life? By promoting mindfulness through the meditative ritual of tea making, by providing a calming effect during moments of stress, and by serving as a healthy, refreshing beverage throughout the day. In essence, green tea is more than just a beverage. It is a companion for a balanced, mindful lifestyle. So the next time you brew a cup, remember, it's not just tea, it's an experience. A moment of calm, a touch of mindfulness, and a sip of good health. Embrace the green tea lifestyle and discover how it can enhance your everyday life.